Good morning, student. I welcome you to my class, and today we are going to do, children, the question and answer on the overall evolution of the lesson Kurk. So let's start with the author. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor by profession. He established his first multi-specialty hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also a social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. Lokesh Oberoi is also an established writer. The present essay on Kurg highlight his sharp observation and the ability for graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Kurg. Now, children, I am going to tell you the summary of this whole lesson. So, children, finally, Kurg is a small district in Karnataka, and it is home to rainforest. It is home to, children, rainforest. Kurg is midway between Mysore and Bangalore. So, children, Kurg is a midway between Mysore and Bangalore. It's not Bangalore, it is Mangalore. Okay, so don't confuse it with Bangalore. This land of rolling hills is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is a home to evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. Okay. During the monsoon, it has a heavy rainfall. So the whole state meets with a heavy rainfall. The best season for tourists is from September to March. The air breeze of coffee estates and colonial bungalows are scattered around the forest. Of Greek and Arabic descent, the people of Kurg are possibly of Greek and Arabic descent. It is believed by many people. It is said that a part of Alexander army settled there when they cannot return back to their country. And children, when they settle there, they have to marry the local people, the local girls. Their culture and tradition are different from the Hindu mainstream. According to another theory, they are of Arab origin. Their long black coats with embroidered waist belt resemble the kulfa worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So, children, that's why it is children believe that these people either are from Greeks or from Arab. Brave people, Kurgi people and their homes are known for their hospitality. That means they really know how to respect guests. There are endless tales of valor. Valor means bravery related to the people of Kurg. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. That means, children, awards given when they win the battle. So that is known as decoration. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Kyariappa, was a Kurgi. Even today, Kodavas are the only people in India. They are permitted to keep any firearms without license. They are honest also, children. They are brave also. They have got quite enough sense. They don't shoot like that without any reason. In Kurg, you can take to high energy adventures like river rafting. So, children, when you will go there, you can enjoy a lot of game there like river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, and trekking. Tourist paradise. Birds, bees, and butterfly give you company everywhere in Kurg. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and wild elephant are found in large number in the forest. On the top of Brahmagiri hills, you can have a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. The largest Tibetan settlement at Bai Lakupi is famous for its Buddhist temple. So, children, this is the smallest place in Karnataka district. Children, it is situated between Mysore and Mangalore. It is called the land of rolling hills. It is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creature. Children, it is the smallest district of Karnataka and it is a home to evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. September to March is the most pleasant season for the tourist. During this period, weather is perfect and the air breeze of coffee. The people of Kurg are fiercely independent people. They are possibly of Greek or Arabic origin. It is said that a part of Alexander's army settled there and married among the locals. Their long black coats with an embroidered waist belt, kufiya, resemble the kufiya worn by Arab. That's why some people believe that they are having the Arabic origin. Kurgi homes are known for their hospitality. They are very good in entertaining their guests. They really respect the guests. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. The first chief of the Indian army belongs from Kurg only. The name of that famous person is General Cariappa. He was a Kurgi. The river Kaveri obtained its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. High energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing and mountain biking are quite popular in Kurg. Birds, bees, butterfly, Malabar squirrel and langurs find shelter in the rainforest of Kurg. The top of the Brahmagiri hills gives you a panoramic view of the misty valley of Kurg. India's largest Tibetan settlement at Bailukepi is famous for its Buddhist monks and temple. Children, people of Kurg are they are very distinct people, very brave people. Their religious practices, marriage and tradition are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. According to one story, a part of the Alexander army traveling the coast settled here as their return become impractical. So they are believed to be of Greek origin. The Kurgi dress a long black coat with an embroidered waist belt, resemble the kufiya worn by Arab. So some think that they are of Arabic origin. Well, so now children, we are going to, I have revised all the main points of the lesson. Now we are going to do the NCR textbook question and answer of this lesson. So very easy question, question number 1 from page number 92 and 93. Where is Kurg? So Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land of rolling hills is also known as Kodagu. What is the story about the Kodagu people's descent? The Kodavi people descended possibly from the Greeks or the Arabs. A part of the Alexandrian army, it is believed, moved south coast. They settled down there because their return became impractical. They might have faced some difficulty in going back to their country. Their tradition, marriage and religious rites are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of the Arab origin draws from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by Kodavis, known as kufiya, resemble the kufiya worn by the Arab. What are some of the things you know about the people of Kurg? The people of Kurg are a proud race of martial race of men, beautiful women. They are fiercely independent. They are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Kurgi homes are famous for their hospitality. The Kurg regiment is the most decorated regiment in the Indian army. The main crop of Kurg. The air of Kurg breathes of coffee, coffee estates and colonial bungalows. Stand tucked under trees. Now children, my third question is the sports to offer to tourists. Kurg offer high energetic adventure like river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, mountain biking and trekking. Now fourth question, the animal you are likely to see in Kurg: macaques, Malabar squirrel, langurs, slender lories and wild elephants are some of the animals found in Kurg. Its distance from Bangalore and how to get there. Mandikeri, the district headquarters, is 250 to 260 kilometers from Bangalore by road. The nearest airport are Mangalore, that is 135 kilometer, and Bangalore, that is 260 kilometer from there. Now here are 6 sentences with some words in italics. Find phrases from the text that have the same meaning. Look in the paragraph indicated. So first is, during monsoon it rains so heavily that tourists do not visit Kurg. Okay. So that means the tourists, they does not come to that place because of the heavy rainfall. It keeps the tourist away. Second, some people say that Alexander army moved south along the coast and settled there. So children, as one story goes, people say that some of the children, Alexander army, they stayed there. They did not want, maybe because of difficulty, maybe whatever was the reason, they did not return back to their country. Rather, children, they settled, they moved towards south and they settled there. Okay, along the coast and settled there. The Kurk people are always ready to tell stories of their son and father valor. So children, that means they are very much willing to tell about the bravery of their son or their father or their husband even. Fourth, even people who normally lead an easy and slow life get smitten by the high energy adventure sports of Kurk. The theory of the Arab origin is supported by the long coat with embroidered waist belt they wear. Marquess Malbar Squirrels observes you carefully from the tree canopy. So children, now I am going to explain the fourth one. The most laid-back individual become converse to the life there. Now children, the theory of about the fifth one draws support from. So it draws support from. Now 6 is keep a watchful eyes. Now children, thinking about language, collocation. Certain words go together. Such words, friends, are called collocation. Such words go together. Like Betty bought a bit of butter, but that bit of butter was better. Okay, so this is one of the collocation. Betty bought a bit of butter, but that bit of butter was bitter. The collection of words is the company it keeps. For example, look at the paired sentence and phrases below. Which is a common collocation and which one is odd? Strike the odd sentence or phrase. How old are you? How young are you? So we never use how young are you, we always use how old are you. A pleasant person, a pleasant pillow. We never say a pleasant pillow, we always say a pleasant person. Collocation. How old are you? A pleasant person. Here are some nouns from the text. Okay, and work with partner and discuss which of the nouns can collocate with which of the adjective given below. So like culture, unique culture, ancient culture, rich culture. Okay, monk. So we can write it Buddhist monk, unforgettable monk, ancient monk, surprises, terrible surprise, sudden surprise. What a sudden surprise! What a pleasant surprise! Experience, unique experience, terrible experience. Weather, terrible weather, unique weather. Tradition, ancient tradition, unique tradition. Okay, now a tales of valor, coastal town, a piece of heaven, evergreen, rainforest. Then plantation, we can write coffee plantation. 6 is bridge. Okay, old bridge. 7th is wild elephant. Okay, some more example are rolling hills, good habits, coffee state, a piece of land, evergreen hero, religious rites, prime land. Now children, we have finished our textual question answer. We are going to do our important question answer from the sample paper. So, describe the geographical location of Coorg. Coorg or Kodagu is the smallest district in Karnataka. It lies between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. The piece of heaven may also be called the land of rolling hills. It is the home of evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. During this monsoon, Coorg has a lot of rain. Now, describe the people and culture of Coorg. So, Coorg is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. There are many tales of valor related to the people of Coorg. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. General Cariappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was a Coorgi. Kodavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Okay. Describe the climate, birds and animals of Coorg. During the monsoon, Coorg has a lot of rain. It pours enough to keep many tourists away. The best tourist season starts from September and continues till March. The very air of Coorg smells of coffee, kingfisher, squirrel, langurs, wild elephants, bees and butterflies abound in the rainforest of Coorg. Describe the possible descent of the people of Coorg. The people of Coorg, their rituals and tradition are quite different from the Hindu mainstream. According to one story, a part of the Alexander army traveling the coast settled here as their return become impractical. So they are believed to be of Greek origin. The Coorgi dress a long black coat with an embroidered waist belt resemble the kufiya worn by the Arab. So some think that they are of Arabic origin. How has the tradition of courage and bravery been recognized in modern India? Give example from the text. So here student, the people of Coorg are known for being fiercely independent, brave and courageous. There are numerous tales of valor connected with the people of Coorg. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated regiments in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. The Coorgi are the only people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without a license. Now describe the origin of Kaveri. Kaveri is a river and area around it. Well children, the river Kaveri. Okay, so the river Kaveri originates from the hills and forest of Coorg. Mashir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfisher dive for their catch. So this is a wonderful scenery we always seen when we move there. Kingfisher diving for the freshwater fish, which name is Mahashir. Kingfisher dive for their catch. The squirrels and langurs drops half-eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and ripples in the clear water. Now children, and here langurs, they sit on the tree, and children, what did they do? They drop some portion of food eaten by them, fruits, okay, half-eaten fruit, and just for the mischief they threw it into the into the water, enjoying the splash and ripples of the clear water. A walk across the bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisar Gathna. Nisar Gathna is a place, student. How do the most laid-back individuals become to the life of high energy adventures of Coorg? offer many outdoor high energy adventure. Even the most laid back individual becomes converts to the life of high energy adventure. They enjoy river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in Kurg are a favorite with trackers. Where and how can we have a panoramic view of the misty landscape of Kurg from? So, student, this also the tourists are advised not to miss a climb to the Brahmagiri hills. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills gives you a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. There you can walk across the road bridge. It will lead you to the 64-acre islands of Nisar Gandha. Describe the largest Buddhist settlement of Kurg. Below the rolling hills lie the largest Tibetan settlement in India in Kurg. The Buddhist temple at Bailukipi is famous for its grandeur and beauty. The monks in their red and yellow robes represent the heart and soul of India right here in the Kurg. Well children, now we are having children, describe the physical and geographical feature of Kurg. So Kurg is a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This is a land of rolling hills inhabited by proud race of martial men, beautiful women, coffee and wild elephants. Kurg or Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is a home to evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. This beautiful region of rolling hills, rainforest and mist lies between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Rainforests dominate the physical feature of Kurg. They cover more than 30% of the district. It rains heavily during the monsoon. The most ideal season for the tourists starts from September and ends in March. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and rainforest of Kurg. The region abounds in wild elephants and langur beside a lot of birds, bees and butterflies. The Brahmagiri hills provide a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. The 64-acre islands of Nisaragandha is a little paradise for the tourist. What are popular theories regarding the descent of the people of Kurg? The Kurgi people are distinct people. Their religion, practices, marriages and tradition are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. And why? Because they have married Greeks. And we all know that Greeks are the following of children Zarathustra. Okay, so even Parsi, the fire is the main god there. So and now some of them has converted into Christians also. So, but whatever is there, their main tradition are is there is a lot of difference between Hindu religion and the children Greek religion, and the women who have married them, they have to follow the religion practice done by their husband. So it is believed that perhaps they are of Greek or Arabic descent. According to one theory, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast. Their return became impractical. These people settled down there. They married amongst the local. Another theory gives their descent to the Arab. The theory of Arab origin draws support from their dress, which resembles the traditional Arabic dress. Their long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas, known as kufiya, resemble the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Describe the rainforest, the river Kaveri and coffee plantation. children, Kurg is a land of rolling hill, beautiful places. Okay, there you can see the rainforest dominates the landscape of Kurg. They cover over 30% of Kurg. The rainforests have a lot of rain during the monsoon. The ideal tourist season starts from September and ends in March. The hills and rainforests are the source of the river Kaveri. Mahashir, a large freshwater fish, abound in Kaveri water. The forests of Kurg have a rich flora and fauna. Birds, bees, butterfly, Malabar squirrel, langurs and white elephant find their shelter in the rainforest of Kurg. The very air of Kurg smell of fresh coffee. Coffee estate and colonial buildings are scattered all around amid the rolling hills. Why does the author call Kurg a piece of heaven that must have differed from the kingdom of God? So student, the Kurg is among the most beautiful region of India. The author rightly called it a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is also the home of beautiful rainforest. The rainforests cover more than 30% of Kurg. The evergreen rainforests have a rich flora and fauna. The very air of Kurg breathes of fresh coffee. The beautiful sprawling coffee estates are dotted with colonial bungalows. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and rainforest of Kurg. Kingfisher dive for Mahashir. Mahashir is a type of fish, a large freshwater fish in these water. So it's not a small fish, children, it is a large fish. Squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit into the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed by and scrubbed in the Kaveri by their Mahavas. They climb to the Brahmagiri hills, give you a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. The 64-acre island of Nisar Gadhama is a little paradise for tourists. So are the temples and Buddhist monks wearing red, ochre and yellow robes. All of them represent the heart and soul of India. So student, now some long question which is there in the sample paper, but indirectly and directly we have done, like give the geographical description of Kurg highlighting its flora and fauna. So just now we have discussed. Give two theories that describe the possible descent of the people of Kurg. I can give you hint, children, here. Like Kurg were the people who were actually the ancient children army of Alexander. When he came to India, he defeated Porus, and when they were returning back, okay, some of the army, they have children traveled from the coastal area of south and they have settled here and they have married the local girls. Until now, children, their generation can be seen. So children, this is the theory, and that's why, children, it is believed that the children of these people, the children who have born from these couples, they are actually the Greek. And it is also believed, some of them also believe that the origin is from Arab word. Okay, because they put that long rope kufri. Which is the best season for tourists to Kurg and why? What things and places are worth visiting in Kurg? Definitely, children, from September to March to September, when there is no heat, neither too hot nor too cold, you can enjoy there. Okay, and what things and places are worth visiting Kurg? So lot of places like coffee plantation, rivers rafting. Okay, so all these things are very popular place in Kurg. Which is the best season? So we have discussed in Why are the Brahmagiri Hills and the island of Nisargandha famous in Kurd? This is also from the sample paper and we have done, children. So with this, as the time ends, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.